for the opening prayer to be led by Kyle Bautista.
Especially our families. Please watch over us as we celebrate their birthday by sharing our talents with one today. Amen.
Please be seated. Thank you.
May I now call on Teacher Cindy Capato Mercado, our school directress, to give our opening remarks.
Good morning, everybody. Are you excited for today? I think the children are excited. How about the mommies and the daddies? Are you excited? Okay, so I'm sure you'll all have fun today. The children have been preparing for this for the last few weeks, and I'm sure they will all do good. So I'd like to formally welcome you and open the program and welcome you to Christmas Around the World, a Tumble Tots presentation for all you parents and guests. Thank you and enjoy the program. On the off.